एवरीवन, आज हम सीख रहे हैं हाइड्रो हैलोजनेशन। इन हाइड्रो हैलोजनेशन रिएक्शन देयर इज अ हाइड्रोजन एंड halogen. Halogen is represented by X and hydrogen is H. In case of X, we are having four different elements: F, Cl, Br, and I. So we are adding hydrogen and halogen in case of halogenation reaction to alkenes, means carbon double bond carbon, and halogen is chlorine, bromine, chlorine, iodine. So इनमें से कोई भी हम दो यूज करेंगे, क्लोरीन या ब्रोमीन. And now alkenes. Alkenes means there are two types of alkenes: symmetrical and unsymmetrical alkene. Now symmetrical alkene means there is presence of double bond in case of alkenes, and if all groups attached to this carbon carbon double bond are same, means in case of this side of the double bond there is CH2, in case of this side of the double bond there is also CH2, so it is called as a symmetrical alkene. In case of unsymmetrical alkene, again we have to observe the carbon carbon double bond, and if the alkene is like this, then we have to observe carbon double bond carbon. This side CH3 CH, and this side there is CH2. So two different groups are there. एक साइड में CH3 CH, दूसरे साइड में CH2. So it is called as a unsymmetrical alkene. And now in case of symmetrical alkene, if we add HX, HX में भी either FCl, Br, I, और उनमें से हमसे Cl और Br ले रहे हैं. X attached to one carbon, H attached to second carbon, and we will get the product as CH3 CH2 X. So if there is symmetrical alkene, then we can add halogen to any carbon. Symmetrical alkene होगा तो किसी भी कार्बन को हम हैलोजन अटैच कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट सेम ही आएगा. अगर इस साइड हैलोजन अटैच किया तो प्रोडक्ट आएगा लाइक X CH2 CH3, but while naming we are getting the same compound as one haloethane. यहाँ पे सिमेट्रिकल एल्कीन है और हम हाइड्रोहैलोजनेशन रिएक्शन कर रहे हैं, तो प्रोडक्ट सेम आएगा. And we will see now for the unsymmetrical alkene. So if there is unsymmetrical alkene, means two different groups are attached to the double bond. Here double bond is having CH2 and another group is CH3 CH. So this is unsymmetrical alkene, and while adding HX to the unsymmetrical alkene, we are taking the example of hydrogen bromide. Then CH3 CH, double bond broken down into single bond, and in one case hydrogen can attach to the second carbon and Br first carbon, then product will be like this. And now in the second case, if the hydrogen goes to first carbon and bromine goes to second carbon. Then product will be CH3, CH, CH2 और यहाँ पे आएगा H और यहाँ पे Br. So whenever we are getting two different products, we have to assign which one is the major and which one is the minor, and this is given by the Markovnikov's rule or Markovnikov's addition. And according to the Markovnikov's addition, halogen means negative part attached to less हाइड्रोजन. तो जिसमें भी कम नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है उसमें क्या चाहिए, हाइड्रोजन अटैच. तो कम नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन हियर फॉर द फर्स्ट कार्बन, only one hydrogen is there. For the second carbon there are two hydrogen, so less carbon is here and we are attaching halogen. This will be the major product and this is minor. So we no need to write here minor product. And according to the Markovnikov's addition, negative part of reagent attached to that carbon which carries less number of hydrogen. So जिसको भी कम हाइड्रोजन है डबल बॉन्ड में उसको हम नेगेटिव पार्ट हाइड्रोजन करेंगे. That will be the major product. Now we are taking another example of unsymmetrical alkene. Same reactant is there, but we are adding HBr in presence of H2O2. Now, if there is H2O2, then the Markovnikov's addition get reversed, and there is a anti-Markovnikov's addition where halogen, that is the negative part, attached to more hydrogen. Presence of peroxide, यहाँ पे क्या है, इसका नाम है peroxide. और अगर peroxide है तो reverse होगा rule, means negative part should attach to this and hydrogen goes to the less number of hydrogen. So the product will be CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. So according to Markovnikov's addition, less number of hydrogen should attach to the halogen and that will be the major. And here according to anti-Markovnikov's, less number of hydrogen is a major product and we don't need to write that. So we are getting only one product here, that is more number of hydrogen is attached to the halogen.